Okay, so we have set up our model. You know, we went through the project, right? We went to new, and we got our template. Now this is the template file. So from here, what we're gonna do is insert our architectural drawing, okay, or architectural model. But before we do that, let's, because the template has these by default, some of these, I mean, you can set up your template, but this happens to be my template. Your template is probably different. I'm sure it is. So I happen to use this template. So the first thing we need to do, let's go to an elevation. And I can delete 2 of these, not all of them, because you have to have one in your model in order to bring it in. It's gonna say we're gonna delete. Okay, delete. Yeah, delete all of that, man. Delete it all. Okay, and so now I think that's what is this. Okay, reference. That's fine. Okay. So now what we need to do is bring in the architect's model, or you can bring in structural, civil, mechanical, you know, whatever model that's kitchen plan. But before we do that, what I want to do when I bring in the model, I want to bring it in on a particular work set, and I'm going to create a new work set. I'm going to call it architecture, ARC for short, and say okay. I'm going to make it active, say yes, and it should show up down here. So we got all of that. So again, this is the plumbing template file. That's been it's a central file, but now we're going to bring in the architect's drawing or model. So to do that, after we've deleted some of the levels, we're going to bring it in. So we go to insert a Revit link, this guy. Okay, so we go here. This happens to be the model. I'm going to bring it in the center. Yours could be different. Look at these options: 4 autos, 3 manual. But I'm going to bring mine in on center, and say open the work set. Okay. So Revit is thinking about bringing that model in. It's thinking. What should we do? Seems to be okay. So now, can I delete this? Nope, not yet. So what I need to do is create a level, right? So let's go up. This is the architect's model. Wow. Okay, I'm not going to get into that. So in order to create levels or copy, we're going to copy the levels from the architect's model, okay? And to do that, we need to collaborate with the architect's model. So we collaborate and copy. It's going to copy / monitor it, but I don't want to monitor. I just want to copy the levels. So I need to select the link, select the link, select the link. Okay, and let's go. Copy. Wait. What? Cancel. Copy. Okay. This is what I wanted to do. Let's pin. As soon as you bring it in, as soon as you bring any kind of model in, you should pin it. Okay. So we're going to pin our model. And the next thing, we need to bound these rooms. Okay. which is in the edit type after it's selected, and it is selected. So it is looking, Revit is looking at the architect's model. So we're going to edit the type, and we are going to bound the rooms. Okay, I'm sure there's some technical reason that why this is the case, but when you're trying to get a project out on Thursday and it's Wednesday, you just do what you're told. If somebody says make sure the room bounding is checked, you check it. Then you can go back into the documentation of Revit and find out why that is. The same thing with when you link in the model, whether it's center, shared coordinates, internal origin to internal origin, and so on. There's some technical, I'm sure there's something technical about all of that. So now that we have our pinned and room-bounded architect's model, we can copy these levels. We have 5 levels: basement, first, second, top of parapet, top of chimney. Okay. So what I'm going to do, let's go back. I think that I'm going to create another work set and call it plumbing. Okay. Let's get rid of that. Visible in all views. This one. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now, let's copy monitor, select link, that guy, so we can copy the levels. Yeah, we can do multiple. I'm not sure about this multiple. Let's try multiple. Try multiple. 1, 2. Or do you do, is it control, this one? Control. Okay, my hand I'm pushing down on the control button. Control. Okay, so we finish. Okay, this looks good. I think this might work. Instead of doing them one at a time. Warning. Something's been renamed, and that's okay. Okay. I think that I'm going to stop monitoring. And I think we go here, stop monitoring, and go back to copy monitor and choose finish. So it should give us all 5 of those, right? Let's see. That's 1, basement, and 2, yeah, okay. I'm just gonna bring this out. You know what we can do is just, we can turn the architect's model off so everything is more clear. So these are our levels. Okay, that's good. And I think I can delete this guy so we can start off brand new. Yeah. Floor plan, yeah, let's just delete all of it. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so now we got our levels. I'm gonna leave it like that. Leave it like that. And I'm typing VV again to get the visibility back and turn on the architect's drawing again. Okay, so that's that. And what we can do to go to a floor plan, let's go here. And so I think that's going to be enough for now. No, let's go to the floor plan. So escape. Let's make sure everything is clear. So we need to view our floor plan. Okay, here, floor plan, here, and all of these. Okay, so we need to control, bring these levels into the plumbing model. Okay, do not duplicate existing views. Duplicate existing views. Do not duplicate existing views. Okay. So, top of parapet, I'm gonna go, let's find out where, I think it's gonna be an HVAC. Wrong. Section, where is it? Mechanical? Somewhere around it. Floor plans. Okay. So Revit defaults it to the mechanical floor plan, browser location. But we're going to change all of that. We're going to put it in the architect's category. There is no architect's category, and that's okay. I think we are going to create it. Let's do that, and then see. So when you go to discipline, you can, let's go architecture, discipline, and sub-discipline. Is there a default? Nope. Let's call it ARC, A-R-C. Okay. And when we go here, so those floor plans should be where they should be in the architect's, under the architect's, what is this? Architect's list. I guess it's called architect, call it architect's list, floor plan. So, and then from here, we can duplicate and create, but at least these plans are in the right location. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop there. And so next time what we can do is set up our drawing so we can start drawing pipes. Somewhere down the line, it might be, it might be 2 or 3, 4 more videos. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop here, and I'll talk to you guys later.